Hey everybody, it's Adam with Eau Gallie Electric, and I'm here with Nick Bayamonte from Generac, and he brought with us this PWRmanager. So this is one of the things I was most excited about when we went to the conference just a month ago. And Nick is here. He took time out of his busy schedule to visit us. Thank you, Nick, so much for that. And he's going to tell us about this PWRmanager.
Never busy enough to not stop in here. So
thank you.
Yeah, PWRmanager is definitely one of our newest, slickest devices on the market. Really differentiates us from the competition. A very dynamic and interactive experience for the homeowner. Literally putting power at the touch of your fingertip. And whether you're at home or 400 miles away on vacation, you'll be able to manage your loads, which really gives a lot of extra battery flexibility to the system, and doesn't get you stuck with only backing up the lights or the outlets or the refrigerator. You can do the whole home, decide what loads you want to power first in priority, or lock out and put off to the side to give your energy needs more energy when they need them the most.
Oh, that's awesome. So your power goes out, all your big loads are shed away, and if you're not home, that's fine. But if you're home, you can turn them right back on right through the app on your phone. So that is awesome. So can you give us a look at the inside of this?
Yeah, absolutely. So I took the dead front off, and you'll see right where all the relays are at. In here you'll see 12 relays, and that means you can either put 6 heavy loads, double pole breakers, or 12 light loads, or a mixture thereof, so you're just limited to 12. Each one of those relays actually has its own individual CT, so you get a really granular look at exactly what that load is consuming in real time. So, just say you had your hot tub connected to this, and you realize, heck, I'm burning through my energy in, a lot quicker than I'd like to be because that hot tub's attached to it. You could, at the tip of your finger, shed that load and see that go from 2.5 kW down to 0, and then your battery longevity just spike up. So now maybe your battery is going to last 4 or 5 hours. Now it's more like 11 or 12.
So are you saying that the PWRmanager actually shows me how it affects the batteries?
Yeah, 100%. And that's why it's really that dynamic and interactiveness of it. It really it gives the homeowner control of their energy needs, and they really learn to understand their battery system and their energy system more intimately when they know exactly what I'm consuming and how their energy habits dictate how long the battery will last for.
Okay, so let's say I have my 12 loads connected, but Nick, I still have an AC or two I need to shed away. Is there something I can do through this for my ACs?
Yeah, you could either lock them out, or if the AC is within spec of our battery system, you could priority return that. So when we have the energy to do so, we'll turn that on. Or we can also think outside the box and use an SMM like we historically have always used on the generator side, and can still use on the PWRcell side to lock that out as well and free up some more space for the loads that you want to turn on and off all the time.
Now, are there any like SMM or load shedding modules built into this, or is it just the straight 612?
This is essentially 6 SMMs in one box.
Okay.
So think of it like that. That's gonna really help Eau Gallie do a quicker install. It's gonna look a lot cleaner too. You're not gonna have SMMs all over the place on that main service panel. You have one box below the main service panel with some conduit in, some conduit out, and all you're doing is basically giving smart breaker functionality to the old school breakers that are still in that service panel without really changing anything. You're just intercepting the breaker lines through these relays and then back into the breaker.
Awesome. So you can see why I was so excited about this device. So it's going to allow for us to size your home for clean energy and use less batteries, which equals less dollars. So we're wrapping up with Nick. We've looked at this awesome Generac PWRmanager. And Nick, tell me, if you could do anything with this Generac PWRmanager in your home, what might you do?
Well, I definitely want to make sure that my kids are going to bed at a proper hour. So one extra thing that you can do with this is, you can manage your child's bedroom circuit, stick it in one of these relays, and then come 10 o'clock at night, Junior hasn't gone to sleep yet, and you can hear him playing video games. You can shut down his room and give him the all clear that, yeah, it's time to go to bed.
So thank you, Nick. We thank you for bringing this PWRmanager to us and telling us all about it. And we look forward to seeing you again.
My pleasure.